In recent years, the demand for comfort height toilets has surged, driven not only by an aging population, but also by a growing preference for ergonomic bathroom fixtures. These taller models, typically ranging from 17 to 22 inches, offer significant advantages for seniors, taller individuals, and those with mobility issues by reducing the strain of sitting and standing.
Product number 1. Simple Project 21-inch high toilet, elongated with comfort chair seat. The Simple Project 21-inch high toilet is specifically engineered for users who require maximum accessibility. Standing at an impressive 21 inches from floor to bowl rim, it significantly reduces the distance a user must lower themselves, acting almost like a standard dining chair. This extra height is a game changer for seniors or anyone recovering from hip or knee surgery. Beyond its stature, the toilet features a high-efficiency 1.28 GPF, or gallons per flush, single flush system. It utilizes a siphon jet mechanism that provides a surprisingly powerful clear-out for its water usage. The elongated bowl adds an extra layer of comfort and hygiene, while the included soft close seat prevents slamming, a small but essential quality of life feature.
Product number 2. 17.9-inch ADA two-piece toilet for bathroom. This model strikes a balance between extreme height and standard accessibility. At 17.9 inches, it sits squarely in the comfort height sweet spot, meeting ADA requirements without feeling intimidatingly high for average height family members. It is often marketed under various import labels, such as Loss Flexi or Wet Base, and is designed to blend seamlessly into modern bathroom decors with its clean lines. The toilet typically features a dual flush or efficient single flush system. Checking specific listing details is recommended, as this varies by seller. The elongated bowl ensures auded thigh support, and the fully glazed trapway helps prevent clogs, a crucial feature for a budget-friendly fixture. It is a solid middle-of-the-road option for those who need ADA compliance, but don't require the extreme 21-plus-inch height.
Product number 3. Toto Drake two-piece elongated 1.6 gallons per flush tornado flush toilet with Cephiontect. The Toto Drake is widely considered the gold standard for reliable residential toilets. While its universal height is typically around 16.5 to 17.25 inches, meeting ADA standards, its real selling point is its engineering. It features Toto's legendary tornado flush system, which uses dual nozzles to create a centrifugal washing action that cleans the bowl more effectively than standard rim holes. This model includes Cephiontect, an ultra-smooth ceramic glaze that prevents waste from sticking to the bowl. This microscopic barrier significantly reduces the need for harsh chemicals and frequent scrubbing. With a 1.6 GPF volume, it offers a stronger flush than the 1.28 GPF Eco models, making it ideal for households that prioritize waste removal over maximum water savings.
Product number 4. Superflow 21-inch high toilet elongated extra tall toilets with comfort height toilet seat. The Superflow 21-inch serves a niche similar to the Simple Project model, but often comes with a slightly more robust design focus. It features a true 21-inch bowl height, making it an excellent choice for assisted living environments or tall individuals, over 6 feet 2. The extra height allows for a sit-stand motion rather than a deep squat, preserving independence for users with severe arthritis. It uses a 1.28 GPF siphoning flush system designed to clear waste effectively despite the longer vertical drop. The toilet includes a specialized soft close seat designed to fit the elongated rim perfectly. Superflow also tends to emphasize their 12-inch rough-in compatibility, ensuring it can directly replace standard toilets without plumbing modifications.
Product number 5. Extra tall elongated toilet 22-inch for seniors. Taking height to the absolute maximum, this category of 22-inch toilets, often achieved via a 20 to 21-inch bowl plus a specialized seat,
is the ultimate solution for severe mobility restrictions. These units are frequently sought after by tall seniors or those with specific medical conditions that make knee bending painful or impossible. Because these are specialty items, they often prioritize function over form. The tank is usually bolted securely to the bowl to ensure stability, which is critical given the higher center of gravity. The flushing mechanism is typically a gravity-fed 1.28 GPF system. While they may look imposing, for the right user, this toilet is not just a bathroom fixture, but a medical necessity that restores dignity and independence.